Hey, what's up everybody? So I've just received a box from a company called Midas. So these guys have very kindly sent me a LCD as an evaluation kit, so what I would just show you. I haven't opened it yet. But very interestingly, it is a an LCD that works at 3v3 volts. So it was actually very difficult to find an LCD that would work at that voltage. It's a bit different to the one I was currently using. So that one was, this is what I was previously using. It's a Windstar. From Windstar brand. The normal Hitachi driver chipset on there. The problem was it runs at 5 volts. So if you're using a single character display, that was a single line display, that's fine. But if you weren't, then it starts to blur. The contrast goes all off, and you can't see anything. So if I just turn, look at that beauty. I wonder if that chip there is a boost. Well, no, I suppose it can't be because there's no inductors on there. But yeah, rather odd that this LCD seems to work at 3v3 volts, and the others don't. So let's turn that off again. Pretty nice. Obviously, it didn't come with the headers, but that's not a problem. I can put that on there upside down, or the electrons are going to fall out, as David Jones would say. But yeah, it's a 16 character 2-line LCD. Again, Hitachi chipset, so it should be a drop-in replacement for the one that I have at the moment, but with the added benefit that I can run it at 3 volts. It has a very nice, I think this one's white, LED, which should be really good. So I'll let you guys know how it goes.